Almost 4,000 years ago, King Hammurabi of Babylon, Mesopotamia, laid out one of the first sets of laws. He conquered much of northern and western Mesopotamia. He is the most far reaching leader of Mesopotamian history. Hammurabi became ruler of Babylon in 1792 BC and held the position for 43 years. Hammurabi began to expand his kingdom up and down the Tigris and Euphrates River Valley, overthrowing the kingdoms of Assyria, Larsa, Ishuna, and Mari until all of the Mesopotamia was under his rule. Hammurabi ruled in Babylon from 1792 to 1750 BC. The Code of Hammurabi was one of the earliest and most complete written legal codes. It was a collection of 282 rules, established standards for commercial interactions, and set fines and punishment to meet the requirement of justice. Hammurabi's code was carved onto a massive finger-shaped black stone stele that was looted by invaders and finally rediscovered in 1901. Hammurabi was the sixth king of Babylonian dynasty which ruled in central Mesopotamia, presently known as Iraq. The Code of Hammurabi is well-preserved Babylonian code of law of ancient Mesopotamia dated to about 1754 BC. It is one of the oldest deciphered writings of significant length in world. A partial copy exists on a 7.5 feet stone stele. It consists of 282 laws with scaled punishments adjusting an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, as graded based on social stratification depending on social status and gender of slaves versus free, men versus women. It was by far the oldest collection of laws ever discovered, and it remained the longest surviving text from the Old Babylonian period Hammurabi ruled. Each law is written in two parts. A specific situation or case is outlined, then a corresponding decision is given. One of the best known laws from Hammurabi's code was, if a man destroy the eye of another man, they shall destroy his eye. If one break a man's bone, they shall break his bone. If one destroy the eye of a freeman or break the bone of a freeman, he shall pay 1 gold mina. If one destroy the eye of a man's slave or break a bone of a man's slave, he shall pay one half his price. The significance of Code of Hammurabi is that it provided historians with a first look and a significant understanding of judicial system in ancient Mesopotamia, which was the main cradle of civilization. Even older judicial texts have since then been discovered, such as the Code of Ur-Nammu, king of Ur, but none of them are as thorough or complete. It's one of the earliest examples of idea of presumption of innocence, and it also suggests that both the accused and accuser have the opportunity to provide evidence. The laws are harsh, not surprising considering the period, and some of these laws follow along the rules of an eye for an eye. That said, such laws can also be seen as restricting the degree of punishment, for example, only one eye for one eye. Hammurabi's law code set the standard for future courts in dealing strictly with the evidence of crime and setting a specific punishment for that crime. Another interesting aspect of this code is that it provides us with insight into the structure and organization of an early human society. We see in these laws the division between different classes of people, specifically property owners, freedmen, and slaves. We also see the relative status of men and women in Babylonian society. All these and more make the Code of Hammurabi so important in the context of human history and our understanding of it.